How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here with another Tyler Teaches. Not really teaching much today, but today is the finale day of our beginner treble reel series. We're going to combine all the dances together today. Hope you've had fun along this way. I've really enjoyed teaching the steps, so thanks for joining me. So I'm not going to get into the normal spiel. Instead, I'm just going to thank FEIS App again for the fantastic music that we've been dancing to, and if you're interested in FEIS App, consider checking them out. Link down in the description. Let's just get into it. Okay, let's try this all together. So without music, let's try that. All right, so without music, all 4 steps. Here we go. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. All right, that's without the music. Now, if you want to practice that, again, rewind it back, take the class, take whatever classes you need. If one part was a little confusing than the other, you can go back to those videos and retake the class, or you can rewind that and play it back in 3/4 speed or half speed or something like that. Yes, let's try all of that to music. We're going to be using the same golden stud set that we've been using for this whole piece, but you can certainly use any type of reel music. A lot of like pop songs and whatnot also kind of have that same tempo as a reel. Again, depending on how fast that tempo is, the faster you go, the more difficult it will be because there's less space between the counts, requiring you to be more accurate with your rhythms and faster. So, faster the tempo, more difficult it is. We also talked about butt kicks and all of that. We're not going to worry on that right now, but if you wanted to certainly spice up the dance, picking up more in back also helps achieve that visual spice to the dance. Here we go. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. There we go. And certainly if you'd like to make that piece longer, everything starts and finishes with your right foot in front. So you could certainly do each step twice. You could do the first step, into the first step, into the second step, into the second step, into the third step, fourth step, fourth step. So you can make it twice as long if you'd like and have kind of a repeat each time. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you learned something, if you had fun, leave a like, comment your favorite part of the dance, and what you'd like to see in the future. I gave this structure a try, having a series of steps to put together and chain together like this. If you enjoyed that, let me know. If you're not already a subscriber to the channel, I'm trying to grow this out, trying to get more Irish dancing on YouTube. That helps share and spread Irish dancing. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate that. Also, hitting the bell would let you know when the next series comes out or next video comes out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.